Hey guys, I wanted to show you my development environment that I built for myself. And I'm using it on my phone right now, which is of course not ideal. I just wanted to show you how quickly I can develop. Like when I started 6 days ago or 4 days ago with this, because in the beginning um I was just using the chat in the So on the 22nd, well, let's start again. On the 22nd, I launched Kin.top, and on the 23rd, uh, I programmed this with AI, and I'm not going to show all the files here, just a few of them. And you can just select subfolders, and I'm starting to put more stuff into subfolders so it can be quickly like selected and worked on. And I can just select database, schematics. I can select whatever I want, and it's gonna get better over time. And I already updated this environment also a lot because it just speeds up development tremendously. It's absolutely insane what this does for me. I would say when before AI did 10x for me, this probably does doubles it another, like it becomes 20x literally. So in terms of speed, it takes more time to update the files than it takes to um improve the code. And the other I should actually I there's another video that I'm going to show which shows how quickly it improves the chat and how quickly it starts to look like some of the best social networks out there. You just need a few iterations basically. So and that doesn't include the layout, of course. So we are right now in messages, for example, and I could just I don't want to use up now my tokens because yesterday I hit the limit. So you can just take, say, the main script, which is right now index, okay? And then at the bottom, you could say I want blah 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 to look like, or whatever, you know how it is. And then uh it will show that on the right top, and then oftentimes the answer you have to copy paste manually, just to be sure that everything is correct. You can't, I mean, in theory you can have it update files in real time, and I think the AI is going to come to that point, but live on production, I think that's not so good because even AI makes mistakes. I give you one example which mistake the program has made over and over and over again. For example, I have default underscore profile.png, which is like a default image, and it keeps reverting it back to default dash avatar.png a lot of times, although I provided with the right example already before. So these kind of things can make it work on a live site yet. Because I think we're moving into what I call the liquid OS, where you won't even have to copy paste the stuff. The site will evolve with, it won't be just a site, it will be like a liquid OS where the site will evolve with user requests. So there won't be a specific app like Airbnb, but there will be oracles on crypto called Airbnb, say, and you can just extend them then with your voice prompt. So you'd be like, okay, I need I don't know, an apartment in Lisbon on this day, blah blah blah. It needs to have this and this, and you just say that with voice, and then you recognize, oh, I wanted to have a pool, and then you pops up all the pools and stuff, and then you recognize, Jesus, Airbnb as a default doesn't have checking for hot pools, like hot water pools, and salt water pools. So you could be like, okay, create a new field. I need a new checkbox for hot water pools, and go through all the listings, see which one has a hot water pool and add that to the filter, like that, and suddenly you have a different user interface. And you could even have that uploaded, and the oracle or chain or whatever it's residing on could even pay you and stuff like that. So I think that's literally the future of where this is going. um there won't be really services in terms of like Airbnb or chat or whatever. There will be more like oracles residing on the blockchain.